Tech Wars, AI ethical concerns. There are many ethical concerns about artificial intelligence. Here are some of the main concerns that we are having as a society of humans. Privacy and data protection concerns arising from the collection, storage, and usage of personal information by AI systems. The potential for AI algorithms to perpetuate biases and discrimination, leading to unfair outcomes and societal inequities. Lack of transparency in AI decision-making processes, hindering accountability and raising concerns about potential biases and justifications. Determining responsibility and liability when AI systems cause harm or make errors, particularly in contexts with limited human oversight. Ethical considerations surrounding the development and use of autonomous weapons and lethal AI technologies. Impact on employment and the need to address job displacement and socio-economic consequences of AI automation. Ensuring informed consent and protecting against user manipulation in AI-driven data collection and personalized experiences. Social and economic implications of AI, including equitable access, the digital divide, and concentration of power and wealth. Ethical considerations when relying on AI algorithms for critical decision-making in areas such as healthcare, criminal justice, and finance. Long-term ethical implications of AI development, including concerns about superintelligence, control, and alignment with human values. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.